Hey, I was just doing a bit of a update on the Nissan, as I haven't posted it in quite a while. I finally replaced the old spark plug cables and got these NGK cables, and also installed Iridium spark plugs, which they made. Both of those items made a big difference in the truck's performance. I also replaced the ignition coils. This particular truck has two, because even though this is a 4-cylinder, it has 8 spark plugs, or holds 8 spark plugs instead of the typical 4. But yeah, again, just those 3 little upgrades increase the performance like big time. Better acceleration, all that jazz. It even increased the gas mileage, because before I was lucky if I was getting like 23 or 24 miles to the gallon, and now I'm getting about 30 miles to the gallon just off of those. And I was told that replacing the fuel filter will increase that as well, even further. So I have a new fuel filter, I just haven't installed it yet. But I had also removed even further along since the previous video I'd posted, the entire mechanism that was here. I just removed the entire thing, and I'm not sure if I might have taken, yeah, there might have been a bracket here. I probably took it off just to have more space. But I was also asked by another YouTuber about, I think it was this particular line he was asking about, that goes to your catalytic converter. I capped it, because I'm almost positive, if I recall correctly, that it hooked up to the mechanism that was over here, or that went to your EGR and all that, or the emissions gadget that was here. And so yeah, I capped it off over here. If I'd been able to, I would have just unscrewed it, screwed that bolt, but man, that sucker's on there, and I literally don't have the tools and the space to maneuver any tools in there. So I just capped it over here, and it runs fine. It's hasn't had any issues. So yeah, if you're looking to cap that off, or not use it, you should be fine. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've done. So that's about it for now. So see you guys later.